Money on your food costs. Use coupons and discount codes when shopping. Look for coupons and discount codes in store flyers, online, and on social media to save money on your purchases. Shop at discount stores and bulk stores. These stores often offer lower prices on a wide variety of items, including food, household goods, and clothing. Grow your own produce. Plant a garden or container garden to save money on fresh fruits and vegetables. Repair and maintain your belongings. Fixing small issues with your clothing, appliances, and other household items can save you money on replacements. Cut back on monthly subscriptions and memberships. Consider canceling or reducing the number of subscriptions and memberships you have, such as gym memberships or subscription boxes. Use cash instead of credit or debit cards. This can help you avoid overspending and stay within your budget. Take advantage of free resources. Look for free or low-cost activities, such as hiking, attending community events, or borrowing books from the library. Sell or donate items you no longer need or use. This can help you declutter your home and earn extra money or give back to your community. Consider purchasing generic or store brand items. These items often have the same quality as their brand name counterparts, but at a lower price.